Welcome to Sawlogs Plastic Hubs. This video will be whatever project I'm working on, and I don't do a separate. Sometimes I do a separate openings for them, sometimes I don't. Again, it's just a summer opening, and I just wanted to throw one out there, and we'll blend it in. It's probably when I get a chance to sit down and do some videos. There's a lot of upcoming things that you're going to be seeing on these videos, summer projects or whatnot. Once I kind of get back in the shop for the summer, right now that has been occupied a lot. So I hope you enjoy the channel, enjoy the videos, and subscribe and follow. So just jump right on in there. Okay, there we go. Good morning. We're starting on another project this morning, and before I start, I'm going to show you. You may have remembered a while back that I modified a socket for hex dies, and I made a video recently where I took the other one I had and redone it for wrenches, because with this one with the handles, the dice is moved. Basically the handles just weren't strong enough for larger dies. So what I want to do is, like your small things under a 1/4 inch where you could hold it with your hand, I want to take this socket and modify it for the smaller ones by putting a knurled outside edge on it. So what I'm going to do today, work on this project, I'm going to take this piece of aluminum right here, face it all, drill it, ream it for the 1/2 inch rod, and then pull it out, and we'll knurl it, and then we're going to bore the front end off of it out to where the socket will press up in it more or less. So that's the plan for the day. So you always face everything off. I think this is a piece of 1.5 inch or 1.75 inch aluminum. This won't have very much wall to it once we go to press it. But it should be sufficient for what we're going to do. So the way I'm going to do this is I'm going to face this off, and then I'm going to drill this thing and ream it, and then pull it out and knurl it in that order. So I'm not going to bore you with all the operations, but I'm going to go ahead and center drill it, and then I'm going to step drill it. So I'll probably hit you piece to pieces. So the first piece is going to be a little long. Center drill it, and then I'll bring you back and we'll show you some more. It's going to be the first drill, 3/8 off camera. Every one of these drills, the three I'm going to use to step up, is basically I've marked them. So I'm just going to kind of show you, starting with the 3/8. We'll switch juice today. We'll use a little more aluminum really go to 40 diesel fuel, and I'm just going to start this drill on camera, and I'm going to take it off. I'm not going to worry you to death with how to drill holes. Alright, this is the next step up here. I'll cut the speed down to about 360 here. And one thing about all this is fairly deep. Like I say, I'll mark each one of these drills good and up real good to give me the kind of what I was looking for. And we'll go back and get the reaming drill out. We'll drill it real. So excuse me just a second now. You know, my mill table's just a few steps away in my shop, for those who's not that familiar with it, and I'll just, a lot of times, with a lathe project, I'll just use the mill table as the workbench, actually. I'll lay the stuff, and things like this that I'm going to do ahead of time, I'll just lay them out. Okay, there's all the holes. I'll get the reamer, bring you back. Alright, here we go, the ream. I bought a bunch of reamers on eBay a good while back, and some of them was just all kind of different kinds and whatever. Excuse me just a second while the camera's running, and let me get something and check it. It's got slide on the same rod just as like the other one did. If it don't slide quite, see, I may end up over the ream at, see if that'll loosen up some. I might end up having to bore that just a little bit, but I'm not going to do that till I finish. I'll probably bore it then. That's a little tight fit. I don't have a +1 reamer. I'll probably bore the finished one. Okay, I'll set up for the next project. I'm going to actually bore this in 2 stages, and the reason I'm doing it this way is because it's a 1/2-inch hole to bore to start with. I'm going to go ahead first before I bore and get this rolled over edge from the knurling taken care of. Still kind of got an edge to it. I might end up facing it off before it's over with. So what I'm going to do, and I'm not in the gear I want, so that's what I wanted. I'm going to be running about that. I'm going to go ahead and go to 1,000 because we're going to be down in some small areas. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this and we're going to bore it part way out. This is going to chatter, and we're going to tell you this up front. We're just going to bore. We're just going to start it up. Rough bore. This is not about 20 thousandths at a time, just to get it big enough to put the larger bore in. not even, so I'm trying to get me enough space so I can put a larger bar to get rid of the shadow. Okay, I changed the bar to this larger bar, and I got to do some editing on the clip before that, obviously. But the plan is this one's working so much better. So now we've got something to work with. So I'm going to check the sizes and start being a little more cautious on what we're doing. So I'll bring you back when we get to the last couple passes. Alright, I'm shooting for 331 for a press. 330, 331 to give me 1 to 2 thousandths to press. Right now, with all the boring, we're about 324. So I like about 7,000. So plan's fairly simple. I moved it about 6. We'll take another measure. This should be the last boring time. And if you'll notice, I don't know if you can see that I've got the indicator set up. I just do that when I'm doing this close board. When I get down to where I'm getting to my last board, then at least 10, 15,000, so I'll go ahead and do that. So let's just see where we're at now. Hopefully I ain't screwed up. Mr. Bozo, let's try to keep that. Sometimes I look like Mr. Bozo with my hair, but that don't look like. Let's do that again. I know I took size out. That should have. That was reading that like it hadn't moved but 2 thousandths. $331 by my measurement, right dead on it. Well, good. Now we've got what we want. Let me double check that. Let me double check everything else off camera, and I'll be back with you. All right, we're cutting it off now. You know, I'm always using power feed, and I'm always using cutting oil on my aluminum, just because it draws up. If you're not careful, a little bit of extra lubrication just helps. Alright, with aluminum I'll usually run at about 200 RPM like I'm doing. So get down there and it should fall right on there it is. Neater than snuff. Not half as dusty. I'll bring you back here in just a minute. I'm going to clean some stuff up. I'll run a little old boring bar in there and just kind of touched it, because this is nothing but a relief. Because the actual bushing is on the other feet. And then we'll deburr the inside, which I'm going to do that right quick to turn it around. Now that I've rebored it, I got it in these bushings. This knurled job's not pretty. After I cleaned it up, when I cleaned the knurled job up, I guess trying to take it in one pass, which usually I don't do, kind of buggered it up some. It's got some tires in it, so I'm not exactly happy about that. So now we're going to go over here and try to press this together. I'll bring you back, or I'll show you when we get done. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Whatever we've done today, because usually I shoot a close and put together a montage at the end. So this is usually my way of saying thank you. Now, if I haven't said it enough, I will say it. Every subscriber I've got, I appreciate. Appreciate every view I get. Now, do we have the big channel? No. Do we want to have a big channel? Well, I'd be stupid saying I wouldn't, be a little jealous if I didn't. But my mode of making these videos isn't to get rich. It is to have fun. So those come along, enjoy the videos and have fun with me, I appreciate it. But please do share it with your friends if they're not subscribers. And, you know, bring them over here and let us look at somebody else is doing this. You know, I'm a career machinist, and I've always liked to make things. So when I retired, now I really have plenty of time. Right now, you know, we've been kind of busy with some house projects and stuff, so that's slowed us up here for the last several months. But I hope you enjoy the videos, and I hope you enjoyed today's video. Again, please subscribe. Please tell your friends, and if you are a subscriber, thank you so very much. Have a great day, and we will see you in the next video when I make another one.